Welcome. Today, we're walking through a quick and easy guide on how to archive draft emails on the Gmail app. Updated for the latest version. Whether you're cleaning up your inbox or just want to stay organized, these simple steps will help you manage your drafts in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the right account where your draft emails are saved. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner of your screen and tap the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Now, scroll down the list that appears until you find drafts. Tap on it and you'll see all the emails you started but haven't sent yet. Sometimes these drafts pile up over time, so it's a good habit to tidy them up when you can. Next, find the draft email you want to archive. Take a moment to double check. You don't want to accidentally archive something you're still working on. Once you found the right one, long press that draft. You'll notice it becomes highlighted, meaning it's now selected. At the top of your screen, a few icons will appear. Look for the archive icon. It usually looks like a small box with a downward arrow. Tap it, and just like that, your draft is moved out of the drafts folder and into your archived emails. Archiving doesn't delete your draft. It simply removes it from view in your main folders. You can always find it later by searching for it in Gmail if you ever need to revisit or finish it. And that's it. You've successfully archived a draft email in the Gmail app. It's a fast, clutter-free way to keep your mail organized and more manageable. If you found this helpful, consider keeping your Gmail app updated to make sure you always have access to the latest features and smoother performance. Thanks for watching.